All right, you know what? I want to even go further with this fill. Grab a sample of another one here. I mean, I could make my own. I just want to get the I want to get the idea kind of solid. And sometimes when you have to do stuff like when you have an already sample that's perfect for the drop, it's better to just do that and don't disrupt your workflow rather than start meticulously pointing out all the MIDI and everything. Kind of cool right there. Let's chop it up further. Let's go. Let's not just, let's use a couple. Something like that. I could chop that. All right, so let's go. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty good. Okay, I think that's working out pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a listen from the very beginning here. This needs to be extended. Let's just go ahead and say loop section here and then duplicate time. Okay, so I just wanted it kind of was too short. Like 8 bars wasn't enough. I had to want to extend it to 16 to kind of give more of, for one, more time for the DJ to mix it in, and then, you know, when you're listening to it, it's more time for you to kind of get a feel for the whole track. loop off. Okay, so that's pretty good. I think that'll work. Forgot to copy that over. All right. Okay, so like I said, when I get to the effects, when I add risers and little sweeps and impacts, it'll kind of help support all these little build-up drums that I've created here. So now I can kind of focus on getting the final other half of the track finished to do some final maybe melodic polishes to the first half. So let's go ahead and move on to that.